If you've ever stood in front of your breaker panel, flipping breakers one by one and trying to figure out which controls an outlet, this tool can save you a lot of time. This is the KAIWEETS KT303P circuit breaker finder, and it not only finds breakers, but also tests outlets, checks GFCI protection, detects live voltage, and includes several adapters for tracing different circuits. I'll show you how to use it, then we'll go over some of the new and existing features. To find the correct breaker to an outlet, plug the transmitter into the outlet you want to identify, then turn on the receiver. It defaults to circuit breaker finding, and you'll know it because you'll see the bars stacking up. Now head over to your electric panel. You'll make 2 slow passes moving in the same consistent direction. The first is for the receiver to learn your panel, and the second one will identify the correct breaker by making an audible beep. The receiver will display the signal strength and beep the strongest when you're over the correct breaker. It's a quick way to label your panel or shut off the right circuit before replacing an outlet, installing a light fixture, or making electrical repairs. The transmitter also doubles as a GFCI outlet tester. Just plug it into any standard outlet. The indicator lights will tell you if the outlet is wired correctly or if there is a problem like an open ground, open neutral, reverse polarity, or another common wiring fault. If you're testing a GFCI outlet, simply press the test button to verify that the GFCI trips properly. It's a good safety check in kitchens, bathrooms, garages, laundry rooms, and particularly anywhere with water. The receiver also includes non-contact voltage detection. Switch to NCV mode and hold the tip near an outlet, extension cord, light switch, or wire. If it detects live voltage, it'll alert you without making direct contact. This is useful for checking whether power is present before replacing a switch, changing a light fixture, or troubleshooting why an outlet isn't working. The included accessories make the kit even more versatile. The light socket adapter lets you identify the breaker controlling a ceiling light or a lamp socket, or maybe even an outdoor lamp post. The 2-prong adapter works with older, ungrounded outlets, and the Alligator clip adapters allow you to trace circuits on exposed conductors. This makes it useful for certain low voltage or disconnected wiring applications. Everything stores neatly inside the included carrying case, including the transmitter, receiver, adapters, spare batteries, and circuit labels. And some notable upgrades for this model include the transmitter and receiver now using LED indicators to display signal strength. This makes the tracing process easier to interpret. The codes are displayed right on the transmitter, and the lights make it incredibly simple to understand. The receiver and transmitter can also be integrated into a single unit now. This makes for more convenient storage and portability. And this is something other companies feature, so I'm really glad to see that they included it. And it also features enhanced signal processing and improved stability in more complex wiring environments. This helps reduce interference and false identification. So whether you're organizing your electric panel, troubleshooting outlets, or simply making sure it's safe to work on a circuit, the KAIWEETS KT303P combines several useful electrical testing tools in one compact kit. So if you're in the market for a new circuit breaker finder or you're looking to upgrade your current one, give this one a shot. I've got a number of electrical products by KAIWEETS and I have yet to be disappointed. So I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.